Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. What is gene and genetics? Answer. Gene is the subunit of DNA, the information database of any organism that is contained inside the cell nucleus. Genes transmit character traits of parents to their offspring. Question 2. Why is the discovery of gene called a game changer in biological sciences? Answer. The discovery of gene is called a game changer in biological sciences because it led to the development of genetics and the process of genetic engineering through which genetically modified plants and animals are produced. It makes organisms resistant to diseases. It can help in eradication of many hereditary diseases. Question 3. What is genetic engineering? What role does genetic engineering play in producing genetically modified organisms? Answer. Genetic engineering is the process of manipulation of an organism's genes directly by transplanting DNA from other organisms in its cells. It plays a key role in producing genetically modified organisms. It has helped in the durability and quality of tomatoes and beans. The commercial production of human insulin is another wonder of genetic engineering. Question 4. Name some GMOs and describe their characteristics by showing how they are different from naturally occurring organisms. Answer. Starlight Aviator is the first genetically engineered plant that lights up like fireflies without ultraviolet lighting. Tomato is modified fruit which develops mature flavor and stay on vines for longer time. Fatty soya beans is modified for containing less fat. A cat's DNA is altered to glow in the dark. Transgenic cows are developed to produce milk containing antimicrobial enzymes and immunity providing proteins. Question 5. Write at least 2 merits and 2 demerits of GMOs. Answer. Merits of GMOs: eradication of hereditary diseases, increased resistance to diseases, larger yield, and greater nutritional contents. Demerits of GMOs: unpredictability of the behavior of altered genes. GMOs may take some unwanted characteristics, causing harm to our health, environment, or ecosystem. Question 6. What, in your opinion, will be the effect of GMOs on our lives, lifestyle, and environment in future? Answer. GMOs can affect human lifestyle and environment in future. A genetically modified plant may be less vulnerable to some insects, but it can take another unwanted characteristics. It can prevent one disease but may cause many other diseases. It can cause kidney and liver problems. GMOs plants or animals could interbreed with wild population, which creates population explosions. GMOs can produce offspring with dangerous traits which can harm the delicate ecosystem. The main concerns about GMOs is the unpredictability of the behavior of altered genes. Question 7. Have you ever used genetically modified foods? Give your suggestion and solutions for the safe use of genetically modified foods. Answer. Yes, we have used genetically modified foods because they are now prevalent in supermarkets. We do not distinguish which one is pure and which one is modified because manufacturers are not required to label foods as having been made from GMOs. Suggestion and solution for the safe use of GMOs food. GMOs food should be tested when they come into market. GMOs food should be labeled before they bring into market. Without the permission of the higher authorities, neither GMOs food should be manufactured nor they be brought into market.